Welcome to this day 4 of Learning Rhythm Pad series. I hope the last 3 days were really useful to you, and a lot of thanks for those who commented in the video, and many said that you have liked the video and were able to gain more knowledge from it. So these are only some basic things we are learning through these lessons. Okay, so if you want to dive more deeper into this and learn various concepts, you can always join in my online classes. And if you want further details regarding the online classes, do send a mail to the mail ID given below, or you can even contact me in WhatsApp for the details regarding the online classes. And if you're interested, we can take more topics through online. Okay, so today in lesson 4, today we are going to see a one term called triplet. Okay, and before going that, many of you have asked for tabla lessons. I'm planning to do that soon, but I'll post it in a, I mean after some time I'll try to post it. Okay, so first be thorough in this. Okay, it takes some time to get thorough in these concepts, so practice these slowly, get fully thorough, and later we can move to the tabla and other Indian instrument styles. Okay, today we'll go for a term called triplet. Okay, so this is the first thing we are going to see. So just if you want to recall it from the first day we saw something like a whole note that we played on the first count, then the half note on count 1 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, a quarter note on all the counts, eighth note, 2 beats per count, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then 16th note, 4 beats, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a, and today we are going to see a term called triplet. So triplet you all know, that is 3. Okay, so for triplet each count will play 3 beats. Okay, so that is one triplet. You can do it as right, left, right. Okay, one triplet. You can also say it as one triplet, or one nanda, okay, or 1 2 3, or 1 1 1. Okay, anything you can say. Okay, so we'll try the first one now, and based on the first triplet only we are going to see the other things. Okay, so first one is 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. We'll do it slowly. Okay, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. If I want to say it in the rhythm wise, it is ta 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 ta. Okay, so always keep the rhythm in mind, even though if you forget the count, I mean if you're not familiar too much with the counts, keep the rhythm in mind. That will be easy for you. 1 and da ta ta ta. Okay, this is the first one. And if you move the second one, again we are going to learn something called as rest. Yesterday we saw the 16th note rest, right? This is a 8th note rest. Okay, if you have taken the screenshot of yesterday's lesson, you can compare each of these and you can learn. Okay, so today we are going to learn the 8th note rest, and it's coming in the trip. Okay, so basically your 1 is there, your trip is missing, and your let is there. Okay, if you see it in the second bar. Okay, so it will be played like 1 triplet, 1 triplet. Okay, again in the trip you are not playing anything. Like I said yesterday, you can just play it in the air to get used to it first. 1 triplet. Okay, so as you keep on practicing that slowly, you can get more speed, and without recognizing that you are leaving the trip, you can able to play it freely. Okay, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. I am leaving all the trips in every count. Okay, so first we played 1 triplet. Now we are going to move all the trip. Okay, so it's 1 let, 2 let, 3 let, 4 let. It will come like that. Okay, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. Okay, all the right hands are only coming, and my left hand is not playing for neither any of the count. Okay, so practice this one very slowly, and we go to the next one. Next one is based on the triplets. We are going to form a beat. Okay, so if you have followed these lessons from the first day, you would have got an idea of how these lesson patterns are. First we learn the rhythm, then we apply it to the beat and fill. Okay, so again, if you are watching this video for the first time, kindly check the 1 hour video. The link of the video is in the description below, and also follow the first 3 lessons before you see these lessons. Okay, then only it will be in order, then only you can understand it. Okay, if you are a beginner. Okay, then if you see this one, we are going to use the triplet count and we are going to form a simple pattern. Okay, so if you see the first count, it's again 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. Now we can play it easily. Okay, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. That is bass drum and hi-hat on first count and followed by hi-hat, hi-hat. That is 1 triplet, then snare drum on hi-hat, 2 triplet. Okay, that's all, as simple as that. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. If I play it slowly, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. Bass drum hi-hat, hi-hat, snare drum hi-hat, hi-hat, bass drum hi-hat, hi-hat, snare drum hi-hat, hi-hat. Okay, so these are not too much complicated, but kindly take some time to practice, because I find a few of you saying in the comment that the lessons are little bit faster and you can teach a little bit slow. Okay, and as I said previously, if we slow it down and teach each beat, right, it will take more time to cover every single beat. Okay, and each video will go half an hour to 1 hour length. Okay, so I want to keep the video length 10 to 15 minutes possible, and you're going to learn within that. So if it's not possible, you can always rewatch the video again. Okay, watch the video again. It's there in the YouTube. Okay, how many times you can want to learn, you can watch it and learn. Okay, and again, if you see the second one there, we are going to leave the trip. Okay, I'll play it slowly. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. You're leaving all the trip. Okay, so it's 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. So if I speed this up and play, triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. Okay, so this is the second one. Okay, then we move to the next one. So next one, if you see, we are going to form another pattern using the same triplet count, but this time we are going to go for a fill. Okay, so everything is coming in the order, right? So first we are playing all the one triplet, everything fully, and we left all the trip. Then we formed a pattern beat using that. Now we are going to play a fill. This is easy again, starting from snare, tom 1, tom 2 and tom 3. Okay, so 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. Okay, and if you see the second one again, we are leaving all the trips. Okay, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. Now if you try this fill along with the beat, it will sound like 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. Okay, as simple as that. Okay, so if you understand first what's the concept of triplet, and if you can able to play it little slowly and practice, then everything becomes easy. Okay, now this one again, we are going to do it in flam. Okay, flam we have seen in day 1. Okay, so day 1 I told you regarding the flam. So using the triplet combinations, we are going to do a flam. Okay, so if you see the pattern again, it's flam bass bass, flam bass bass, flam bass bass, flam bass bass. Okay, we'll do it slowly. Again, if you see the flam, first time it's on snare, the second count it's on tom 1, third count tom 2, then again tom 3, but the bass are following that, right? 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. Okay, this is the one. And if you see the next one, the next fill, if you see, we are going to start from tom 3, then tom 1 bass. Okay, tom 3, tom 1 bass. So tom 3, tom 1 bass. 1 triplet, 1 triplet. The same thing is repeated. Okay, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. Okay, and if you see the last one I'm going to give you. Now that's another homework thing for you. You're going to try that. That's not too much complicated. Again, it's a combination of the beat and the fill. Okay, maybe I could play it slowly. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 1 triplet, 2 triplet. That's all. That is the first one. So it's a half. For the first 2 counts, you are playing the beat. The next 2 counts, you are playing the fill. And if you see again the example next to that, it's again we are leaving a rest and we are going to play the beat and fill together. Okay, so kindly take this as a homework and try to finish this before next class. Uh, so if you can't able to follow the homework, do try them, and tomorrow in the final class we will discuss the homework and other things. And if you have any doubts in this, in the 4 lessons which you have seen every day, do post them in the comment below. So before going to tomorrow's lesson, I'll just check all the comments and try to answer that in the tomorrow's final session. And any doubt you have, you can post. Okay, and also these homework lessons which I gave you, I didn't play it and show it to you at the end, the last 2 days, including the first day. But tomorrow, the last day, I'll be playing and showing you all the homework thing which I gave you. Okay. In the meantime, do try, and any doubts you have, do post them in the comment below so that I could check that, and if possible, I could answer it tomorrow in the final session. Okay. So keep practicing. Again, these FLAM concepts are there in day 1. Okay, so that's what I said. Everything is connected to each other. So take your time and practice, and surely you can develop by these lessons. Okay, so if you want more the kind of these lessons, or you want to learn any other instruments, drums, rhythm pad, or Cajon, you can contact me in the WhatsApp number there. And I'm already providing the Skype lesson, so you would have checked my channel where I taught to various students the drums and the rhythm pad. Okay, so kindly go through all the videos, make use of these lessons, and do share it to your friends. If you have not subscribed this channel yet, do consider subscribing this channel, and there are a lot of lessons waiting ahead for you. Okay, thank you. We'll see you tomorrow. Stay safe. Thank you.